Okay, this is a quick test of the recording method. Let me go grab Spice. Okay, here I have a directory and there's Spice in there, and I'll run LTSpice. Of course, it opens in the other window, so I drag it over here. Let's make it full screen and make this full screen also. Okay, now to start a new project, we do File, New Schematic, and then we start putting parts down on the sheet. All of your basic components are here: resistor, capacitor, inductor, and diode. Anything else like voltages and transistors and so on, you have to go into the component, and that'll open a menu, and then you can pick the component you want to install. Like, let's grab a voltage here. Okay, and then it floats around until you click the mouse somewhere. So it'll go click right there, and then you can do another one down here and another one over here or whatever. Hit the escape key when you are done. Okay, now I didn't really want all those voltages, so I'm going to grab the scissors here to delete, click on them to delete these, and I'll leave that one there. Hit escape, get rid of the scissors. Okay, now let's put a resistor here, and every circuit needs a ground. You can't build a SPICE circuit with an ungrounded part of the circuit because it will cause, it will complain, it won't work. Now I'm going to wire up this little circuit. Okay, each place I want to change, like here I want to go left, so I click the left mouse button, then I go left, I click the left mouse button, I go down to the connection point and click the mouse button, and it's hooked up. Then I still have to hook up this ground, click there, and click there, and it's all hooked up. Now I'm going to, I can make it a DC voltage or an AC voltage. Let's make it a AC 1 volt. And the resistor, we right click and we give it a value 50 ohms. Okay, and our circuit is done. Actually, it might be more interesting if we add a capacitor up here. So let's grab the scissors, cut this trace, go grab a capacitor. We want it rotated, so we rotate right, put it here, hit escape, and hook up the capacitor there and there. Now it's hooked up. And let's set this to 10 nanofarads. Okay. All right, now let's set up a simulation. So we have to tell it what kind of simulation we want to do. We'll make it an AC analysis. Type of sweep, set it to octave. Number of points per octave, I don't know, I usually use 100. Start frequency, we'll do 10 kilohertz, 10,000 or 10K. And stop frequency, say 30 megahertz, 30 E6, or 30 million, or however you want to type it. Okay, and it just ran the simulation, and now I have to put something in the picture up here. So you move the probe this over the circuit, and you can probe different places in the circuit. This spot here, there you see it's plotting the magnitude and the phase. And usually I don't want the phase, so I right click over here and say don't plot phase. Okay, there it is from 10 kilohertz. We see it's about 3 dB down roughly at, if I put the cursor over this, and let me pull this down. Okay, in the lower left corner of the screen down here, you'll see it telling me what things about where the cursor is. Right here, I put the cursor at this point, and it says that's at 328 kilohertz, and it's 2.8 dB down. So that's roughly the 3 dB point right there, 300 kilohertz. Okay, that's it. We did a circuit.